We did not only fix, we built offices for the provincial capital, the provincial tourism office on your left. Early childhood care for Ablilay, Ukot. It's new. The provincial cooperative office. Thank you, Senator Sani Angara. We even named it after his late father, Senator Edgardo Angara. We now have a brand new building for the provincial engineering office. And of course, our second home, the provincial capital. We renovated it. Best because MODHA even beautified it during